The salon services market was worth around $265 billion recently, and it's expected to cross $447 billion by 2032. The salon booking software market on data alone is set to double in just a year, hitting over $1 billion by the end of 2025. So it's clear, salons want to go digital, not just for convenience, but because their customers expect it. There's demand, there's growth, and there's a real opportunity here for businesses that want to do more with tech. In this video, I'm going to walk you exactly how an AI-powered salon app works and what went into making it as smart and seamless as it is. Let's begin. So when the app opens, you're welcomed with the brand logo. This was about setting a clean first impression and keeping it consistent with the client's branding. Then we move into a short intro flow. It's simple but purposeful. Each screen is designed to speak to the app's core value that actually feels high-end. We kept the transitions light with next, skip, and a final get started button just to keep things user-friendly. Now, login flows. This is where we wanted to make it as accessible as possible. We gave options like manual sign-up, phone number, Google, Facebook, Apple. Doesn't matter what you prefer, you'll find your way in quickly. And yeah, there are checks, like if the number is invalid, the buttons stay inactive. Little things like that add up to a smooth experience. Then there is the OTP flow, which was built with reliability in mind. We've seen too many apps mess this up, so we made sure everything like sending the code, entering it, even resending it, works without delays. Once the OTPs are verified, the sign-up wraps up without friction. Additionally, password reset was made easy. Users can choose email or SMS. We didn't complicate it, we just made sure every state-like code send, new password confirmation is clear and works without hiccups. Right after that, we ask for location access. It's optional, but we strongly recommend it. The app uses that data to personalize what salons you see first and which specialists are close by. Now the home screen, this is where it all comes together. Let me break it down. We've got a weather widget up top. Yeah, people do care about that before stepping out. Then there's the search, profile, and current address display. We've categorized services cleanly, like haircuts, makeup, massage, etc. And beneath that, we've placed promotional banners with discounts. These aren't static, by the way, they're dynamic and pulled from an admin panel, so the business can update them anytime. Then, we show specialists in a tile format, 2 per row. We display the name, service type, rating, and a straight-up book button, followed by smooth scrolling, real-time nearby salon data pulled using the user's coordinates and filters. And the navigation is also made simple. The footer menu has all the basics: home, location, calendar, messages, and a meatball menu. If a user taps on something like haircut, we load a dedicated haircut page, custom banner, haircut specialist, nearby salons, all filtered automatically, no extra clicks needed. The search was a big one. We made sure it was responsive. Whether you type or use voice, you get categorized results by service, by specialist, by salon. Suppose you type Lotus. You see everything relevant. Voice works too. Just tap, say it, and boom. Results show up instantly. Now if you're the type who picks salons by location, we've got a map view. Tap a card, view it on the map, and get route guidance. We also built advanced filters with service type, rating, distance, gender preferences, you name it, and it updates results in real time. Now let's talk about where AI kicks in. This is one of my favorite parts. Users can actually scan their faces. We built a facial analysis flow where the app reads facial features and suggests hairstyle ideas. Not just random stuff, but actual options that match the person's face shape, hair type, length, and color. The entire thing is processed in seconds. It's one thing to show services, it's another to show the right ones. That's what we focused on here. Once you're back on the home screen, you can browse services in detail, explore best-selling packages, and even customize those before booking. Next, tap on a salon, and we show you all the services they offer, complete with ratings, pricing, duration, and detailed descriptions. If a user wants more info, it's there. Apart from all this, we know that people love sharing. So yeah, we added social sharing. And we built a simple but effective review system. Write it, rate it, done. We also made it easy to add an address. Just drop a pin, fill in your details, and label it as home, office, or whatever. We made sure that next time, booking is faster. This is where our backend team put in extra effort. With smooth bookings like picking a time and date, then paying through a card, UPI, wallet, or anything, we integrated multiple payment gateways with fallback checks. You get a clear summary screen before final confirmation. We also built membership plans for recurring users. This helps increase retention and adds more revenue channels for the business. Now moving ahead, this app has specialists for every service. Every specialist has a profile page with bio, gallery, reviews. You can call or message them straight from the app. This feature was integrated because the intention was to make users feel confident before booking. Apart from that, from the calendar tab on the footer, you can view past and future bookings, cancel them, reschedule, and even set reminders. It's a small thing, but it adds big convenience. And finally, profile settings where users can update their information, add payment methods, invite friends, change all sorts of settings and more. Everything is made accessible from the Meetball menu. So that's the demo of a next-gen AI-powered Salon app. As we've seen, the Salon app integrates AI to enhance user experience and streamline salon operations. For you, this means improved customer engagement through personalized services, efficient appointment and inventory management, data-driven insights for better decision-making, and increased revenue opportunities through targeted promotions. Basically, investing in an AI-powered salon app positions your business at the forefront of innovation in the beauty industry. If this walkthrough sparked ideas, or if you're thinking of building something similar, let's talk. Book a free strategy call and we'll help you explore what's possible and how to make it work. Because a smart app assists users and acts as a growth engine for the business. Thanks for watching.